This is a fit for a 2015 through 2020 and possibly beyond Chevrolet Tahoe with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex RCL base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 59 inches in length, the RCL legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases, metal brackets, and fasteners, which connect to the fixed point connections. This is part number RCP43BK. Here is the bars in the 27.5-inch crossbar spread. Positioning the rear bar further back allows for a 45.5-inch crossbar spread. This system offers 220-pound load carrying capacity. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.